We're kicking off a brand new month with a brand new Happy Meal subscription box. This month's box is called Snow Flurries, and it's inspired by wintry days, sledding, all the good parts of a snow day. We've got lots of pretty mints and different shades of blue, and then some beautiful holographic silvers and specialty whites and silvers. Let me jump in and show you exactly what's included this month. Every Happy Meal box starts with a pretty Encore color palette. So this month we have Dusty Blue, Midnight, Waterfall, Mint Chocolate Chip, and Hot Chocolate. This is actually one of our new colors. So that's kind of a little sneak peek coming your way. So that is the main color palette that inspired the rest of the choices. Next up, we have Glitter Luxe Silver Speckled White. So this is a white, but it has silver speckles built in. So this is my favorite snowy white. It just really shimmers. It's beautiful. Then we have a sheet of our white metallic speckles. So this is a white cardstock with silver and gold flecks built right into the paper. It's a bit thinner, kind of the weight of a patterned paper, but it's just really beautiful. We have matte silver. This is a silver foil with a matte finish. We have a snow holographic. This is Snow Flurries holographic. It's got rainbow snowflakes when the light hits it. We have a hologram silver sequin. So this is actual hexagon shaped glitter sequins, but they have kind of a holographic finish to them. Then we have a sheet of Encore white vellum. This is a 12 by 12 sheet, and it's a bit heavier weight vellum. So this vellum is great when you need a bit more stability. Maybe you're making a shaker out of it, or if you're building a dimensional and want vellum, this is a good option. It's still translucent, it's just a little bit thicker. Then we have Encore Wild Blue Skies. This is our no shed glitter cardstock. It's got a real fine glitter finish. This is one of our new Encore Dazzle sheets. This is Blue Sterling. It's a pearlescent light blue. Next we have Encore Mirror Foil. This is Serene Blue, so it's a reflective foil in a really pretty and unique blue shade. We have Glitter Luxe and Seafoam, this pretty mint glitter cardstock. Then we have Lesabo Shiitake. This is a smooth cardstock, really pretty kind of craft base. And last but not least, we have a sheet of Echo Park Snowflakes. Now, you may not get this exact sheet. We've got two different patterns that you could get. It'll be very similar though. So this kind of wraps it up, the Snow Flurries theme. It's kind of dark blue on one side and then flurries on the front. Again, yours might be slightly different. But that is everything that is included this month in the main kit. Of course, we also have mystery items this month. You won't know what they are until they arrive on your doorstep, but perfectly coordinated to go along with the theme. Your subscription kit includes a free class. This month, we're going to be making a set of 5 winter-inspired cards using all the beautiful specialty papers that are in this kit, including a little coffee shaker card. So that is your free project for this month. So there you have it. This is Snow Flurries, our December subscription kit. Again, you get free shipping, you get the free class, you get the mystery items, and it starts as low as $29.95. You can sign up for as little as 1 month up to 6 months. And the longer you sign up, the better your discount is. This is just a really fun way to just try some of the papers you might not know exist at 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop and fall in love with something new.